Okay, so let's have a look at what a video really is if you were the computers behind the scenes responsible for running YouTube. Now, we all think that our videos are creative masterpieces. Darling, I'm an artiste. YouTube doesn't care, just sees them as bits of data. And if you think of a YouTube as an object of data or data object, then those data objects have properties and parameters, and one of the most important ones for us when we're trying to set up a new channel or decide what to use in the metadata of our videos are the tags. Now, the tags can be considered to be things which describe the data object, which is the video, and we get to choose what we put in the tags. So if we were in weight loss, for instance, quite hard to see these, but I just took some screenshots. So we've got a video about weight loss and then a lot of tags, another video about weight loss and a lot of tags, another video about weight loss and a lot of tags. So we can think of these, if we abstract this away from videos into the maths, as set theory. Let's have a look in this slide at some Venn diagrams. Who remembers Venn diagrams, having to draw Venn diagrams? Yay, great fun, wasn't it? And then there was lots of maths behind it. We won't be doing too much maths today, but I just wanted to give you an example perhaps of what Venn diagrams may look like if we were to extract the tags from the videos which were all about weight loss. So, for instance, set A or video A may have the attributes or the tags keto, fasting, chicken, running, eat, fat, diet, and carbs. The next video, set B or video B, may have a slightly different set of tags. Veg, swimming, willpower, treadmill, eat, fat, diet, carbs, push-ups, low calories, and ditto for C. As you can see, we've got some more tags, some more attributes which describe that video. Now, as I said before, the magic here is in the intersection between all of the sets, or as many of the sets as is possible. So in this somewhat contrived example, right in the middle here, all of these videos have fat, diet, and carbs as their tags. So if we were to go and have a look at all of the best performing videos in our niche, and then we were to look at the tags on those videos, and then we were to look for the tags which were in the highest number of those videos, in other words, the ones which were in the biggest intersection, then that would give us a clue as to what we should be putting on our videos, wouldn't it? Because if the winners have all got, in this instance, fat, diet, and carbs, then winner, winner, chicken dinner, we ought to be sticking fat, diet, and carbs in our video tags, maybe in our channel tags as well. So how do we do that then? How do we do that? Well, luckily, as everything to do with computers it's dead easy, because someone's already created tools to do it for us. So let's have a look, shall we? Let's go to we'll go to YouTube, and I'll get another tool up in a moment, which I'll stick it in the comments or wherever it goes, so that you've got it. But here's the process that we're going to go through. We're going to go to YouTube and type in weight loss. Weight loss is just an example. As you can see, the top videos come up here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to copy all of the tags from the top performing videos, and then we're going to put them through this tool here, which will allow us to take a copy of the tags, and then when we're finished, press a button and look for the most popular tags which are in the most number of videos, the biggest area of intersect. And then we're just going to nick them or lovingly recreate them. So let's go have a look here. So the first video that comes up here are the tags. Now I'm using something called vidIQ. Again, I'll leave the link somewhere around the video if you're not using it. If you aren't using it, there are other tools available that can get the tags. In fact, you can even just look in the source code and get the tags directly. But just for ease sake here, I'm going to use the vidIQ inline keywords tool. I'm just going to copy here into this first list. There we go. So that's all of the tags from the first video. Then I'm going to go down to the next one, and I'm going to copy all of the tags, I'm going to put them in list B or set B. Same thing, list, set. Then we're going to go down to the next one. And we're going to copy all the tags. And then if I press this one, it'll produce another list for me. Copy it in there. And then we're going to go down to this one, press it, and start another list. A lot of YouTube really is just data processing, isn't it? It can be a bit boring, to be honest, but no one says life was all glamour. Right. Anyway, there's far too much fun and pleasure in the world. Sometimes you just got to do tedious things. Right, so we'll do that one. You're getting the idea. Let's just do a couple more, just so we've got plenty of data. Yeah, follow your passion and all that malarkey. Good Lord. Right, here we go. I suppose it amazes me there's such an industry around weight loss. I mean, it's just basically don't eat as much or as much rubbish, move around a lot. That's it. Right. Anyway, so we've got all of the tags from most of the videos. Then what we do is we hit compare here. You don't need to worry about all of that. And then we go down to this list. Right. So if we just look down here, then this is the number of occurrences and the number of lists that it appears in. If we just go down here and take the most popular ones, we could say that if we're looking for half a dozen or so keywords that would define our channel, then how to lose weight, food, exercise, lose weight, fitness, diet, health, weight loss. There you go. That's not bad, is it? And if you carry on doing this, the more videos that you do, the better quality data set you'd get. But this set of tags here is distilled from the intersection of all of the sets of tags that we got from the videos using this tool, which I'll stick in the, you probably can't see it on the screen and it's difficult to say, so I'll make sure that it's near the video somewhere.